Mastering time expressions. Right on time, explained. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might have heard quite often. Right on time. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you in day-to-day conversations. Let's dive in and learn all about it. Right on time refers to the idea of being exactly punctual, neither early nor late. It's when someone or something arrives or happens at the expected or scheduled time. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual meetups to professional appointments. The beauty of the phrase, right on time, lies in its versatility. You can use it when complimenting someone for their punctuality. You arrived right on time for the meeting. Great job. Confirming schedules. The train is expected to be right on time. Expressing satisfaction with timely occurrences. The weather cleared up right on time for the picnic. Let's look at some examples to see how right on time is used in sentences. The delivery service is excellent. The packages always arrive right on time. I appreciate it when team members show up right on time for a project discussion. The play started right on time, so we didn't miss a thing. Being right on time is often associated with professionalism, reliability, and respect for others' time. In many cultures, punctuality is a valued trait, and this phrase encapsulates that sentiment perfectly. And that's a wrap on right on time. We hope this video has shed light on this useful phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to English fluency is always right on time with us. See you in the next video.